10 Best Quotes of Film Battleship Potemkin 1925. Battleship Potemkin, directed by Sergei Eisenstein and released in 1925, is a seminal work in the history of cinema. The film is celebrated for its revolutionary use of montage, a technique that juxtaposes images to generate emotional and intellectual responses. Set during the 1905 Russian Revolution, it dramatized the mutiny aboard the battleship Potemkin, where oppressed sailors revolt against their tyrannical officers. The narrative culminates in the iconic Odessa Steppes sequence, depicting a brutal massacre of civilians by the Tsar's soldiers. This scene is renowned for its powerful visual storytelling and emotional impact. Despite being a silent film, Battleship Potemkin communicates its themes of solidarity, resistance, and sacrifice through striking imagery and intertitles. Eisenstein's masterpiece not only serves as a potent piece of propaganda but also as a groundbreaking example of film as an art form, influencing countless filmmakers and becoming a cornerstone of cinematic history. For a spoonful of borscht. Sign on Vakulinchuk's memorial. Russian POWs in Japan are fed better. Vakulinchuk. The spirit of revolution soared over the Russian land. A tremendous, mysterious process was taking place in countless hearts. The individual personality, having hardly had time to become conscious of itself, dissolved in the mass, and the mass itself became dissolved in the revolutionary elan. Leon Trotsky, uncredited, from the book 1905 via title card. Whoever is satisfied with the borscht take 2 steps forward. Golikov, above the heads of the Tsar's admirals thundered a brotherly hurrah. Title card. Down with the police. This rallying cry underscores the revolutionary spirit of the sailors and civilians against oppressive authorities. All for one and one for all. This intertitle highlights the unity and collective resolve of the sailors as they stand together in their mutiny. The spirit of revolution is in the air. This reflects the pervasive sense of change and rebellion that drives the narrative. We've had enough rotten meat. This complaint by the sailors about the maggot-infested meat symbolized their broader discontent with their harsh conditions. Brothers, who are you shooting at? This poignant plea during the Odessa Steppes sequence illustrates the tragic confrontation between the Cossacks and the innocent civilians. For a spoonful of borscht, you'll only get a shot in the head. This stark statement emphasizes the dire situation and the cruel treatment of the sailors by their superiors. The Tsar's Cossacks are coming. This intertitle heightens the tension and foreboding as the oppressive forces approach to suppress the uprising. Mother, come back to life.